everyone, I'm Nara Victoria, and today I'm going to make a star lantern out of recycled materials for this Christmas. Let's go! The materials we need are 2 dry and clean plastic bottles. They're Mountain Dew bottles, but you can choose any plastic bottles you want. 1 marker, 1 nail, 1 scissors, 1 cutter, 1 hammer, 1 glue gun, but make sure it has a glue stick inside, string or thread, tape, electrical tape, and fairy lights. Let's get started. First, we need to mark the place where we're supposed to cut. Now, first part is the bottleneck. Right here, then we do this here, and then here, then we do this. And there. Next, we need to put dots at these protruding parts of the bottle. There are 5 of them. So we put it here, we put it here, we put it here, and we put it here. Last one, and we put it over here. There you go. Then we remove the label. Now, all we need to do is to cut on the marked parts that we marked earlier. Like, we do it over here, and then like here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here. After cutting through the places of where we marked, we now have sections. And it's now time to cut and divide each section into 4 strips. Let's start. Now that we're done, it's time to attach the 2 of these plastic bottles together with hot glue from the hot glue gun. Now, everyone, you have to be careful, or else you might get burned. Hot glue, and you have to be fast. Hot glue can dry. There you go. We'll put it aside over here. And then we'll add this right over here. And there. We just have to let the hot glue dry out. Now, I've already done 2 of the points. So, we have 3 more to do. Now, we get 4 strips here and then get the other 4 strips from the other side, and then we bind them together. And we secure them with tape. It's nice to prepare the tape before you bind them together, like I've done here. So, like this, and then like that. Oh. Ta-da! Our star lantern is already looking like a wonderful star. But now it's time to make the tails of our star lantern. First, we remove the bottle caps from the bottleneck we cut earlier to be the tails. Then we take a nail and a hammer and make 2 holes like a button. You should always ask an adult in making these holes, or you can hurt yourself. You need to cut a string this length and then tie it around one of the corners of the star, like this. And then loop the string through the holes of the button, and then pull the string. And then you tie the string 2 times like this. And then you cut the excess. Now it's time to make the tails of the lantern. First, we clean up the edge so that we can make the design good. Now that we're done trimming the edge of the bottleneck, I'm going to cut out some small triangles around the bottleneck like this to make a zigzag design. Now that we're done cutting the zigzag design, it is now time to attach the bottlenecks to the bottle caps. And after that, we're going to attach electrical tape to all 5 points of the star lantern so it can match the bottle caps. Don't forget to attach a string at the top of the lantern so that we can hang it. After that, we will add electrical tape to the top to secure it tightly. And now it is time to add the fairy lights. We just gotta unravel it. Wow, it's looking better than ever. It's time to attach the power source to the back of the lantern using hot glue. There we go. Now we just have to wait for the glue to dry. And then after that, we can wrap the fairy lights around the lantern. We're finally on the last step, and that is to turn off the lights and to turn this on. looks so beautiful, right? And fancy. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned how to make a lovely lantern of your own. See you next time. Goodbye.